Good morning, traders. Welcome to Friday morning. Don't we love Friday morning? Yes, we do. Okay, so it's Friday morning, and I'm quite tired. I was coding quite late into the night last night. Going to look at the charts and introduce you to the new feature within SilverTrader, my trading chart software. And what it does is identify the direction we're coming out of some congestion, and I've got a few examples. So here's silver yesterday. Do you remember this one? I traded out of the silver. I traded all this lot all the way down here. Let's show you. I've got a better view of it on this web page. So this was yesterday. Here's the indication. Actually, the lines are kind of here, and we had this sell diamond signal within the congestion. So kind of the diamond actually broke above the congestion. So sell order on here. Wait. Down we come, and it really did come down yesterday, didn't it? Wow, what a move. Lot of pips there. So let's look at what's going on at the moment. So that's silver yesterday. More congestion from silver. Last night there was a teeny weeny little sell signal. Just about got out of the congestion, so it didn't really count. But we did get it honoured by this this drop. So nothing at the moment. It's just floating around us. I think it's probably returning to congestion for the next 3 weeks. Okay, so Euro GBP, horizontal, not touching it with a barge pole. Okay, we've got congestion here. Let's stick a nice blue insert shapes rectangle. I'll show you the congestion. It's right there. Might break above it. Okay, what am I worried about? It's in the middle. Okay, that could go any way. That could just do this. It's just been ranging. Okay, not tradable really at the moment. Not what I'm looking for. Okay, here's a lovely example. More examples of how this congestion thing works. So we've got an area of congestion here. We've got this diamond signal saying there's a sell in the congestion. So it bounces up, gets the sell signal, and then gets out. So I put my sell underneath it. Down we come. Oh, hang on. It stopped there. Incidentally, the lines here are drawn dynamically. So these lines are at the moment out of date. So it came down here. It would have taken out my target. So I would have had if I was selling this, I might have had an entry here. And my target would be just above the next white line. That's the big major support. It's not going to be the numbers that you see on anyone else's charts. This is calculated by daily forex traders. My SilverTrader software dynamically. Okay, so it bounces back up again. Woo, up we come, and it kind of hangs around down there. So again, there I would have looked for a buy signal somewhere, maybe above here, but really it's just ranging. It's like the others you see. If it's ranging in the middle, that's not a great trade for us. Euro GBP again, done that one. Rating and riddle. Aussie dollar. Interesting sell on that again. I think this is due to just news, so that's fine. But we did get a hint in the congestion of what was going on with it. So I would be looking for. There's a little buy signal that kind of is honoured by that. I'm looking for some more congestion on that later on. Ooh, a bit of congestion above in the back to Aussie dollar again. US dollars. The Australian dollar's doing the same thing against the yen and what's it? That's a bit boring. Just reset that for you. Okay, a little bit of kind of congestion with a buy signal. Okay, and I say that with great caution. There's an area of a trade here, perhaps for a retracement. In fact, there's a good chance of retracement with that sitting there. That's not been honoured. And in fact, it's been ranging around between this connection. It's in a kind of this trend arrow means in a kind of forward-looking trend, but not exactly bullish. Hourly, it's been ranging. You see this ranging here? It's quite happily ranging. You could put a buy order in here, target here. Looks like a good trade actually, so I think I might go for that. So a buy order in. I want it to be above this candle, this wick here, because I don't want it to hit to break. Looks like they're just going to go whoosh, bosh, bosh, bosh back up again to here. So it's just ranging. So I'll just pop a little order on there. So trading, buy stop, and the price will be 0.82595. 595, just put that in there. Stop loss will be below here, 0.82125. 0.82125. Take profit just below here at say 0.83067. 0.83067. So place the order, just make sure it looks right. Okay, so where's my entry? Entry's there, just above that candle there. So I want to make sure we're actually breaking up. Target is a little bit low. We can actually move that up. That's definitely a move up for target. Come on, up you go, like that. Modify, lovely. Okay. Risk is a little bit high. Okay, I'm really going to have to move my risk up. But if it makes it all the way up there, then it's probably not coming down. So let's move my risk. I can just drag it like there behind the blue line. Modify. Okay. Just a little bit about trade management. For those of you who haven't watched my videos and are bored stiff of me saying it, I generally like to get my trades in profit. Okay, so I go to 16 to 23 pips in profit and I'll move my stop up inside my profit. Because then I don't care if it comes herring back against me. Okay, so what are we looking for here? Is this a head and shoulders going on? Not really. Can't see any great patterns in there, but what I can see is my trade now. So 15-minute chart. So I'm looking to buy here and go there. Trade into the wide open spaces. There we go. There's the signal. It's a kind of weird congestion going down. It may just carry on going down, so I might not get my trade, but do you know what? I've not lost anything because it's an order. So that's one trade for this morning. Looking for another one. Dollar CAD. 5-minute chart shows we're not in congestion. I'm not at the end. Always make sure you're at the end before you place a trade order on something that happened 3 weeks ago. It's bouncing up and down, obviously. Come on, Dollar CAD, wake up. Auto scroll, that's what I need. Right, so we have got some congestion in with Dollar CAD. Kind of the top of this place here. Looks like it's been ranging. We had a whipsaw last night, which is horrible. Everyone hates whipsaws that take out your stops without you looking. But actually, we are in at the top end of this, but there's no sell signal here. Okay, and there's no buy signal here. There's nothing at all. So not really interested in trading that. If I was, maybe I'd do a sell over this area here. That's too close, so I probably don't think I'm going to go into a buy. So it's a bit of congestion with no signal on it, basically. 30-minute chart. Oh, I lied. 30-minute chart, there is a little buy signal in there. So maybe we're going up. So maybe a buy above here. Buy stop will go in at 1.60595. Right, 597 will do. It's random enough, isn't it? Stop loss probably below the congestion. 1.60315. 1.60315. Small stop loss. Take profit will be way up there. I don't know what it is yet. The only thing that's nervy about this for me is that that's a teeny weeny signal on the 30-minute chart. However, it's not moving much. So if it does break up, it's gonna have to really move up. Buy stop buy limit. I'm on the wrong thing. Okay, stop loss 1.603. Oh, I can't. Sorry, it's too early in the morning. 1.606. My stop loss was up in the air. 60315. I'll get that right now. Order is in progress. Right, so there's my stop. There's my entry. Where's my take profit? Let's go find it. Hourly, 4-hourly chart. Can I see my take profit? No. Daily chart. Can I see my take profit? No. It's up there somewhere. Weekly chart. Maybe I can see it on here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so take profit 1.07265. Only thing that makes me nervous is it's very high. Very high. Look at this huge buy signal and look at this congestion on the weekly chart. Huge buy signal. There's the congestion. Kind of, that's not congestion, is it? This bit here. Up it went. Look at that. And I think that's another buy signal forming weekly. So 1.07265. Blech. Scary. I've had a bit of a cold, so I have to put up with me wittering on a bit. 1.07265. If we break above there, we're going up. 1.706265. So let's modify that order. I'm going to have to get my orders up. Click on that there. There's the one. Modified the order 1.07265. Modify. Okay, now I'm just going to go and double check that. So turn off the trading chart. Don't need any more. I like to see my charts. Don't want to see the rest of it. Are we going to break the weekly high? It has already tried. Look, there you go. And in fact, it tried to come back down and retrace. Didn't happen. So on a weekly basis, we are looking quite high. This is quite a high trade. Let's move that right up there. Okay, modify. Okay, let's go back to the dailies. So, yeah, that looks kind of okay, doesn't it? Except there's only one thing I've just noticed, is that it didn't move much. Ooh, maybe I'll move this up a little bit. Okay, I've just had a little alarm call in my head. 4-hourly chart. Oh no, it's alright, it's just the colours of the chart that are getting to me. Something's getting to me. So, not sure about this one. If I'm saying, to be honest with you, I am not sure about it. I've got to say. In fact, I'm so not sure about it, I'm going to delete the order. I'm just going through it. If I'm not sure about an order, I'll take it off. I'd rather not risk it. I want to be sure that I don't risk any money on anything I'm not sure of. I still like the 15-minute chart, but I'd rather see a candle on the 15 or 30-minute chart. That's not strong enough. I want to see a big boy candle. Swissy. Sorry about this bananasness. Teeny weeny sale signal, nothing really exciting. Got some congestion. Any sign of any candles? Only sell. There's a sell one there on the hourly, but it's not really going anywhere, is it? Let's face it. There. Okay, so I found one trade this morning. That's about normal. Could be that'd be interesting for a breakdown here, wouldn't it? Except there's no okay, not interested in that. Silver again. Nothing really serious. No really serious signals. Sterling, don't like trading it. Don't trade the euro myself. I don't trade euro dollar at all. Excuse me. So I think that's it. So that's SilverTrader. That's this morning's trades, which is a total of one trade. How exciting! I'll post that. It's an NZD USD, and it's a buy. But don't do it yet. I'm going to post it on the site. That's my source code, which you don't want to see. That's another broker. Okay, have a good day, everyone. And